Here we divide 175 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we got 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 5. So it became 15, and 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we got 1. So again this 1 is less than 2, and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0, and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we got 0. So 175 divided by 2 we got 87.5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.